Good morning and welcome everyone. Today we are going to be talking about The Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. It's one of the most important writing during the Restoration period, 18th century literature. The first thing that we are going to know about is The Rape of the Lock. It tells a story. It's a mock epic, and the story comes with a very important person, Caryll. Caryll is the friend of Alexander Pope. Caryll one day told a personal experience from an experience that he has gone through in the society. Lord Petre and Arabella Fermor's story. Lord Petre proposed Arabella Fermor. Arabella Fermor refused and rejected utterly Lord Petre. And Lord Petre felt insulted, and there was enmity, like battle-like situation between these two families. And Lord Petre, out of taking revenge, he has cut the lock. Lock refers to the string of hair of the lady, and that's why Arabella Fermor and Lord Petre had a very bad relationship at one point. And Mr. Caryll was the family friend for both Lord Petre and Arabella Fermor. So Caryll requested Alexander Pope to compose a poem so that these two families get united once again. Then what happened? At first, Alexander Pope has written the poem, composed it nicely, but both the families disliked the poem. And then finally, Alexander Pope decided to use supernatural machinery. That supernatural elements like spirits, fairies, gnomes, sylphs, all those things. These were very interesting enough. So let me briefly talk about it. There are 5 cantos in this poem. And in the first canto, we find invocation to the muses. And supernatural power has been used in order to create the interest in the reader. Belinda's beauty has been discussed, and Belinda's dream was also discussed in the first canto. Alert and warning was given by the spirit Ariel. And it's a mock epic poem, and the struggle goes with the prince and princess, love, rejection, and whole poem deals with the silly matters, and it represents the social setup. In the canto 1, you find love for artificiality. This is very interesting done. Outwardness versus inwardness is the main theme of this poem, and double meaning, as you can see. Masked party is one of the prime display of the social gathering, and a lady goes astray. Now, if you look at the features of mock epic, it follows the trends of an epic. So, mock epic is just like an epic. The main difference is in the silly subject matter. Epic has got serious subject matter, which has got universal appeal. On the other hand, mock epic has got silly subject matter. It could have personal appeal, and it's ridiculing the society, person or community, and it's representing one thing, displaying another. It's very interesting. So we will find the spirits here. There is supernatural machinery: salamander, nymph, gnomes, and sylphs. It is believed that, according to the myth, the beautiful ladies, when they die young, if an angry lady dies, she becomes salamander. It's related to fire. A very soft-hearted, calm, silent lady, beautiful, she dies. She becomes nymph, related to water. Gnomes, who are tortured, who has got suicide and all, she becomes gnome. And sylphs, who are whimsical in character, they become sylphs. They would like to do some sort of mischief, and they become sylphs. And sylphs will be the guardian angel for Belinda. So the subject matter goes with the safety of the lock. Belinda's lock is in trouble. Somebody wants to cut, and Belinda has been warned by the sylphs even, and that has been displayed nicely here. As you can see here, if we go through Canto 1, What dire offense from amorous causes springs? What mighty contest rise from trivial things? I sing these bars to Caryll, muse is due. This even Belinda may vouchsafe to view. Slight is the subject and not so the praise. If inspire, he approved my days. And this has been nicely represented with the invocation to the muse. And then in the other part of the poem, it was presented there like nymphs, salamanders, sylphs, how do they get created, and in courtly balls, midnight masquerades, saved from the treacherous friend, the darling spark, the glance by day, the whisper in the dark. It is representing the society that outward something and inward something else. Then another line comes with this: of this am I, who thy protection claim, a watchful sprite. Ariel is my name. Late I ranked the crystal wilds of air. In the clear mirror of thy ruling star, I saw, alas, some dread event impend. So impending danger is coming. It was signaled. So another interesting line is, this to disclose is all thy guardian can. Beware of all, but most beware of man. So Belinda has been she has been warned to be very much beware of man, so that she could be attacked. And when there was a discussion of Belinda's toilet and Belinda's makeup, there was a line like puffs, powders, patches, Bibles, and billet duets. Now awful beauty puts on all its arms. The fair each moment rises in her charms. Repairs her smile, awakens every grace, calls forth all the wonders of her face. Sees by degrees a purer blush arise, and keener lightning quicken in her eyes. The busy sylphs surround their darkling care. These set the head, those divide the hair. Some fold the slip, whilst others plait the gown, and Betty's praised for labors not her own. So the thing goes on in that way, and the poem has been narrated. So far, the perfect appeal and the perfect set was done. Hopefully, if you go through the upcoming cantos, like Canto 2, 3, 4, and 5, you will get to know more. Thank you very much.